The 2026 Audi R8 emerges as a redefined icon in the world of supercars, seamlessly blending the raw thrill of twin-turbocharged performance with a futuristic interior that sets a new standard for driver engagement and luxury. This latest evolution of Audi's flagship performance machine does not merely refine its predecessors, it reinvents what an everyday supercar can be, pushing boundaries in design, engineering, and technology while staying true to the heritage that made the R8 one of the most admired sports cars of the 21st century. Its silhouette remains unmistakably R8, with sharp edges and flowing curves that channel both aerodynamics and drama, but beneath the familiar skin lies an entirely new vision of speed, precision, and digital sophistication. At the heart of this transformation is the introduction of a twin-turbo V8 power plant, developed in collaboration with Audi Sports Racing Division and designed to deliver relentless acceleration with a broader torque band than the naturally aspirated V10 it succeeds. Producing upwards of 700 horsepower depending on specification, the engine provides breathtaking thrust, catapulting the R8 from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The twin-turbo system eliminates lag through advanced sequential turbocharging, ensuring instant throttle response and a soundtrack that mixes the mechanical intensity of forced induction with the spine-tingling resonance of Audi's engineering mastery. Coupled with a new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system, the R8 offers extraordinary levels of grip and control, enabling drivers to exploit its power on winding roads, open highways, or racetracks with equal confidence. The chassis represents an equally bold leap forward, integrating lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and aluminum in a new modular space frame architecture. This construction not only enhances torsional rigidity but also reduces weight compared to the outgoing model, sharpening handling while improving efficiency. Adaptive suspension with predictive damping allows the car to read the road ahead and adjust settings in milliseconds, providing both comfort for daily driving and razor-sharp precision in dynamic modes. Rear-wheel steering improves agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, while massive carbon ceramic brakes ensure fade-free stopping power even under the most extreme conditions. The R8 of 2026 is not just a supercar built for straight-line speed, it is a machine engineered to dance on the edge of physics, rewarding skilled drivers with communication and feedback rarely seen in an era increasingly dominated by digital insulation. Visually, the 2026 R8 pushes Audi's design language into a bold, futuristic realm. The front fascia is dominated by a wider, lower grille framed by aggressive air intakes and razor-sharp LED headlights that incorporate next-generation digital matrix technology. These lights not only provide adaptive illumination but also project customizable patterns for added drama. The profile maintains the iconic side blade element, reinterpreted with aerodynamic venting and sculpted lines that enhance cooling and airflow. At the rear, a full-width OLED light bar integrates dynamic animations, while a retractable spoiler and a race-inspired diffuser underline the car's high-performance intent. Every surface has been optimized for aerodynamic efficiency, with active aero elements adjusting in real time to balance drag reduction and downforce. The result is a design that feels instantly familiar yet radically progressive, blending heritage cues with a vision of supercar aesthetics for the future. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more apparent. The 2026 R8 introduces a cockpit that redefines Audi's philosophy of digital luxury, merging cutting-edge technology with driver-centric ergonomics. The cabin is a fusion of minimalism and immersion, dominated by a curved OLED display that sweeps across the dashboard, housing both the virtual cockpit instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment interface. Haptic touch panels and voice-activated controls reduce button clutter, while augmented reality head-up displays project key performance data directly into the driver's line of sight. Seating is sculpted for both comfort and support, upholstered in sustainable yet premium materials such as recycled microfibers, vegan leather alternatives, and lightweight composites. Ambient lighting responds to driving modes, enveloping the cabin in hues that shift from calming tones in comfort mode to vibrant, pulse-like effects in dynamic mode. Every detail has been designed to create a sense of futuristic immersion, where technology amplifies rather than distracts from the driving experience. Connectivity and digital integration play a central role in the R8.